everything's all plugged in, honky-dory. Cool. Now that that's out of the way, let me address the video. So I'm out and about very early in the morning because yeah, uni's back on. And today is the first of my classes, and today's gonna also be the longest of all my days. Because my first class starts at 8, and as you can see, it's 7:35. So I'm cutting it pretty close. I'm really hoping that the highway isn't overly busy, because then that way I can actually zip to uni and as such. But yeah, today's a long day. Because I start my first class at 8, and I think I finished my last class at either at 3 or maybe 4, with about an hour break in between, which is not too bad. But also, like, what the hell am I doing for that hour? Because I usually don't really eat or drink or whatnot because of following my yeah, my fasting pattern. And just today alone, I had to change that up because I was just like, my usual eating time, that is exactly around the same time I'll be in class, so won't be during my break, which is yeah, a little rough. So I ate a little banana, down a little bit of pre-workout just to get me awake, essentially, because I didn't have time to make me some coffee. And yeah, pre-workout does a pretty good job at kicking your overall system into gear and waking it up, essentially. So yeah, that's what I am up to. I'm heading to class. Now, the good thing about damn, I just lost my train of thought because minivan taking forever on the roundabout. Yeah, wakes me up, and yeah, it'll get my overall system into gear, and I'm not, yeah, drowsy or slouchy and all that kind of jazz. And this is what I was concerned about, is the morning rush. But yeah, I didn't really have enough time to wake up and make a coffee, because I pretty much got into the shower and then I was just like, ooh, warm water. Because last night was freaky deaky cold out of nowhere. I definitely may need to start leaving the house a little earlier for class, especially on Thursdays, because it's my early day. Because yeah, having all these kind of big trucks around, they definitely slow everything down. And also the morning rush to work and whatnot is always busy on this stretch of the highway because of all this construction. It's just down to 2 lanes. I mean, they really need to get their act together and sort this stuff out, because it's really inconvenient for people. Because as far as I can remember, this road has had so much construction being done to it, and it's been ongoing for so long. But yeah, you know how the government is. Love wasting money on irrelevant shit, and then the shit that does need to get done, they take ages to actually do. Like this needed to be done ages ago, but then they spent money on further up where they've literally just dug everything back up and redoing it. But yeah, who knows what the hell the government is doing. Whew. I'm getting hit by the wind now. I'm freaking getting the chills. I might have to get my leather jacket out next if I'm riding. Ooh. As much as I love the cold, it also affects me the most, because I just get so shivery. on a hoodie underneath my jacket today. Coming through these construction sites, there's so much gravel, dust and dirt on the ground, hey. And as it is, since I swapped to my tail tidy, well, swapped out my license plate holder to a tail tidied one, it's yeah, more prone to getting cracks, because I did crack the rear light. It all works and stuff, it's just that the shell is cracked because I think my tyre just flicked the rock up and just cracked the living tits out of it. Damn, green AMG GCR. I mean, it is Friday, so I guess the nice cars might be out and about doing stuff. Yeah.
Oh, actual fun.
Yeah, it's free as well.
Oh, actual for bikes?
All bikes are free.
Yeah, I might have to start riding in.
Do it. It's worth it. I have finished up my class a little earlier than I expected. That is good for me. Now I'm just going to go home, chill a little bit, probably clean up the bike because I can kind of notice a couple of water spots on it. Get it ready for tonight's night ride, y'all. I have no idea what the that thing is. And I ain't going over it. It's like a speed bump, I guess, or an automated speed bump. Yeah, so I'll head home, touch up the bike a bit because I kind of can see quite a few handprints and a couple of water spots. I might do a little, cleaning. And let's see how that goes. So as for tonight's night ride, I was kind of like, it was just kind of sprung on me. I don't know if I already said it, probably did on the way in. But yeah, I was like, oh yeah, my friends were just asking me, oh yeah, does anyone want to do night ride Friday night? And I was like, oh yeah, I'll come along. And then yeah, this morning I wake up to a message that's just like, oh yeah, by the way, know any good routes? And I'm like, So yeah, then I made up the route of meeting at the coast and then heading down Frio, maybe the coast of Frio, and then Tunnel, and then Burger Run, yeah. Because I am craving a greasy burger. Because I've also been a good boy when it comes to my diet and losing weight, working out. So fun fact or fun tip, if you're doing any diet, try not to follow it too religiously, because I guarantee you will fail. Throw in things like little rewards or cheat days and stuff like that. It'll make it more worthwhile. Thank you for watching, because I think I have enough here for one video and enough for the night ride maybe as another. So without further ado, thank you for watching. Thank you for coming back. If you find yourself coming back to my channel, please sling a ding ding, be that subscribble, and ring that bell like your life depends on it. because trust me, it helps. And I'm trying to get to essentially 1,000 subs, and yeah, I'm just trying to get my channel to get going, because I want to be able to take YouTube semi-seriously in the long run. So yeah, sling me a sub. Thanks for watching. Deuces, you beautiful people, and I'm out.